wonderful people, welcome into my painting studio and at the same time welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Larissa Tinta and I'm a painter, I'm an artist, I'm a self-taught artist living in Italy. I'm originally from Romania, but I do speak English. So welcome into my studio. Please have a seat, have a look, and please join me to my journey with paintings and all the creative stuff that I am doing. Today's video, it's about, come closer. So today's video, it's about, we will talk about the transformation of a black frame into a gold foiled frame. So there they are, the perfect duo, the glittering adhesive and the varnish water-based in a transparent bottle, both of them. And here's Eva helping me as always, my little assistant. So first of all, I varnished all the frame with the gliding adhesive, very thin layer, and then I waited, as it says the instructions, like 20 minutes. After that, you'll see when it's ready, it's kind of transforming from a milky white into a transparent layer, like shiny layer. And then I applied the gold foil. And I'm pressing it with a natural hair brush. I didn't want a total gold effect, so it's kind of put randomly. I really like this effect. After I applied the gold leaf, when I was happy with it, I applied the varnish. Then I wait to dry and then pass another layer of varnish. Well, the varnish has the job of, protecting the gold leaf, but at the same time, it kind of takes off the stickiness of the adhesive. So I'm using these products like 3 years now, and I'm really happy with them. And that's why I'll leave the link in bio so you can have some if you want to. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and remember, dare to be original always. Editing Larissa here. So if you made it until here, thank you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, that will help me a lot, and see you next time. That's why you should subscribe, so we can see each other next time. Thank you so much.